Welcome. In this short video I will show how to highlight messages that are sent directly to you in Outlook. You will learn the desktop method using conditional formatting, and the Office 365 web equivalent using an inbox rule. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Outlook desktop app or Office 365. Click the View tab in the ribbon. Click View Settings. In the Advanced View Settings dialog, click Conditional Formatting. Step 2. Create the Direct to Me rule. Click Add. Type Direct to Me as the rule name. Click Font. Choose a bold style and a bright color so the messages stand out. Click OK to close the font dialog. Step 3. Set the condition. Click Condition. In the Filter dialog, click the Advanced tab. Click Field. From Frequently Used Fields, choose to. For Condition, choose Contains. In Value, type your email address. For example, click Add to List. Click OK to close the Filter dialog. After that, back in Conditional Formatting, make sure your Direct to Me rule is selected. Click OK to close Conditional Formatting. Click OK again to close View Settings. Now messages addressed directly to your email will appear with the formatting you choose. That's it. You now have a Direct to Me highlight in Desktop Outlook and an equivalent rule in Office 365 Web. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more Outlook tips.